Samsung fans, big news. The first official Galaxy A57 5G teaser has finally been revealed, and it just gave us our first clear look at a feature no other smartphone brand in the world currently offers. No rivals, no alternatives. And yes, this is a huge deal for a mid-range phone. But before we break down the official teaser, let's talk about what Samsung is doing differently this time, because Galaxy A57 users, you honestly won't believe what's coming. Last year, Samsung shocked the industry with the Galaxy S26 series, introducing a revolutionary display technology. A screen that can literally protect your privacy in public, making sensitive information nearly invisible from side angles. Whether you're on a train, in a cafe, or standing in line, prying eyes get nothing. And now, according to the latest leaks, this exact technology is coming to the Galaxy A57. Yes, Samsung doesn't want to keep its privacy display locked behind flagship pricing anymore. That means mid-range users could finally get features that were once exclusive to premium phones. So how does this display actually work? The panel intelligently adjusts its pixels in real time, reducing visibility from side angles while staying perfectly clear when viewed head-on. It's subtle, smart, and honestly something we didn't expect to see outside the S series this soon. But that's not the only major change coming. The Galaxy A57 is getting a massive display upgrade behind the scenes. For the first time ever, Chinese display giant CSOT is expected to supply OLED panels for Samsung's A series smartphones. According to industry reports, CSOT will work alongside Samsung Display, ending Samsung Display's long-standing role as the sole supplier for the Galaxy A5 lineup. Samsung Display will still handle most of the units, simply because of massive global demand, but this shift is a big moment. Starting next year, Samsung plans to move the Galaxy A57 to flexible OLED technology. That means thinner bezels, a more premium look, and better screen uniformity. Here's the pressure Samsung is facing. Chinese brands already offer flexible OLED displays in $150 to $200 phones, while Samsung's Galaxy A series sits closer to the $500 range. Expectations are rising, but prices can't. To keep costs under control, Samsung has asked Samsung Display to offer flexible OLED panels at prices close to rigid OLED. And that's where CSOT comes in, offering lower pricing, making it a key supplier option. Interestingly, this same OLED panel could also appear in future Galaxy Fan Edition phones. CSOT and Bo have already supplied smaller OLED batches for Galaxy M and A series devices in the past, but this time, the role is much bigger. So when you put it all together, a flagship-level privacy display, a premium flexible OLED panel, and Samsung finally pushing innovation down to the mid-range, the Galaxy A57 is shaping up to be one of the most important A series phones ever. And this is just the beginning.